Hey guys, today is a super exciting day because something came in the mail that I am always excited about that comes 4 times a year, quarterly. So today we're gonna take a look at the new Nick box. This is called Camp Nick box. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, I'll make sure to link them below so you can take a look at those and see what have come in other ones. It is a quarterly subscription box with all 90s Nickelodeon stuff. It's an amazing box. I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting for too long. I really wanna show you what's in here. I haven't opened it yet, just like every other video. I like to open it with you guys. So without any further waiting, let's get started. So to start it off, as usual, there is a card in here that shows you everything that's in it. I don't like to look at it. I like to open this up with you guys and have the same reaction as you guys do. But it always comes with this. So if you're ever confused as to what something is, you can take a look at this. So to start it off, we get a Nickelodeon hat. It's one of those adjustable ones on the back, so it's not a snapback of any sort. It's soft. You can probably bend the bill a little bit. I don't like flat ones. I don't like super round ones. It actually fits my head, and I have a big head. So your first thing you get in your Nick box is this really cool hat that I am going to wear for the rest of the video. Up next, we have a Rocket Power bottle opener. The Shore Shack No Shoebies. I will give you guys a close-up of this. This is a really cool thing to include. I'm very excited about this one. This one will get used for sure, so I'll give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. So here you go. Here is the Shore Shack No Shoebies bottle opener. It can be mounted, probably with screws that you have to provide. It doesn't come with any. It's a metal bottle opener, which is super neat. It's got this really cool surfboard design. I love this so much. This will definitely get used at my house, so I'm excited for it. So the second thing you get in your Camp Nick box is this cool Shore Shack No Shoebies surfboard bottle opener that you can put on your wall. Now this one I actually had to look at the card for because it doesn't show you anything that it is on it. It is a Reptar beach ball though. We can try and blow it up and see what it looks like. I kind of want to show it to you guys anyway, so we'll open it and blow it up. So it has 2 sides to it. I don't know what that's for, but we'll find out, I guess. Alright, so I got this part blown up, and the reason why it has 2 valves is the Reptar in the middle also blows up, so we'll get this one blown up too. So there is your Reptar beach ball. It looks like a city skyline, red balloon, and I'll show you guys the inside as best as I can. We'll get a close-up. So you can see Reptar in the middle there and the reflection of my window, sorry. Kind of cool. I mean, if you like move it around, it moves. Next up, we have some Camp Anawana boxer shorts. They're definitely sleeping shorts. Unless you're gonna wear these under some shorts if you're a dude, which go for it if that's all you. I'll give you guys a close-up of the pattern on here. So there's the pattern. They say Camp Anawana on them. They have like s'mores and trees and binoculars and a compass and volleyball and all that cool stuff, and the band is expandable. So the fourth thing in your Camp Nick box are these Camp Anawana boxer shorts. And to go with your Camp Anawana boxer shorts, what's coming up next in your Nick box is a Camp Nick Summer 2018 t-shirt. So you can wear this with those boxer shorts that you got with your box, or you can just wear it on your own. Cool little thing. Most of the boxes that I've gotten recently have had a t-shirt in them. I have one of them on right now from one of the first ones that I got. So I'll show you a close-up of the graphic and then we'll keep going along. So there's the Camp Nick Summer 2018 logo. It has a bunch of the Nickelodeon characters. So there is the 5th thing in your box, is this cool Camp Nick t-shirt that you can wear whenever you want. Next up in your Camp Nick box is a deck of playing cards. Let's see what's on them. I'm assuming they're characters, but we'll open it up and I'll show you guys a close-up of everything. Like I said, there are some characters on them. They're the face cards. You have like Rocco and Angelica and Cat Dog. The actual number cards are just colored like that. So if you need some playing cards and you want some cool Nickelodeon stuff, perfect box for you because yeah, get some playing cards with it. You can take them to camp. You can use them. Just keep them around your house when you need them and you'll be golden. All right, next in your Camp Nick box is this Camp Anawana water bottle. It goes with your Camp Anawana shorts. I'll give you guys a close-up of what the front of it looks like. So there is your cool Camp Anawana water bottle. It has a squirt cap that you can push up and down. Has this cool logo with the same stuff as the shorts also had. So you can put this next to your bed, wear your shorts, wear your shirt, all that good stuff. Cool Camp Anawana water bottle. Alright, so next up in this box is the Camping Rocco vinyl figure as seen in Hut Sut Raw. So I'll pull this out of here to show you guys. So there is your Rocco's Modern Life, Camping Rocco's Modern Life. He's got a knapsack full of stuff, and it's bigger than him almost. And there is your second to last item in your Camp Nick box. I'm so sad this is almost over. We have one more thing to go over, and stay tuned. So the last thing in your Camp Nick box to add to your vinyl figures, and there's already another bobblehead, which is actually Arnold, is your Helga bobblehead. I will give you guys a close-up of this girl. There is your Helga bobblehead figurine. So there is the last thing in your Camp Nick box, which makes me super sad because this was such a neat and fun box. Thank you so much guys for sticking around through this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This is probably one of my favorite boxes that we've gotten, and I need to re-up my subscription because this was my last one that I was gonna get. So if you would like to get your own, I will put my link below that you can order yours through. Like I said, I will also link my other unboxings so you can see other things that we've gotten. Lots of cool stuff in this box. I'm not sure if it's sold out yet or not, so if it's not, I would get your hands on it. The next box I don't think is until like October. Should be chock full of really cool stuff again. And again, thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed this unboxing and would like to see other tutorials or other unboxings or reviews, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, just like I said, and I will see you guys with the next video.